Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we jump in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn that bell notifications on so you are alerted every single week when I drop a new video on this channel. Today I'm going to be talking about home inspections, and I'm actually going to bring you behind the scenes so you can see what a home inspection looks like and why it's important. So if that's something that you want to learn a little bit more about, then please keep watching. So we're going to be starting off in the interior part of the property, and at the very end, the home inspector will give us a full detailed report on all his findings. So first order of business is starting off in the kitchen. This is absolutely my favorite part of the house, and that's because a lot of people will spend time cooking amazing dinners for their family, and it's important to make sure that the stove and the oven are working properly, even if they are brand new. So no, the home inspector is not just slamming and closing cabinets. He wants to make sure that everything is working properly, because he again is going to be giving you a full report with pictures about all of his findings. So the furnace tends to be a big ticket item, especially for older homes. So the home inspector will take a look, let you know what condition it's in, and if it's recommended for you to get an HVAC specialist to come in. Now the electrical box is and can be another big ticket item, but typically in a lot of the renovations, this is an item that gets switched out. Moving on to the exterior part of the house. Now the home can look absolutely beautiful, but we want to know exactly what's happening. So here we go. So move on to the roof. The roof is a very important part of your home. It covers the entire top portion of your property and also garage. The home inspector will take a look to make sure if there's been any repairs, if it's been replaced, or if it needs immediate attention. Moving on to the inside of your garage, it's very rare that garages are insulated or drywalled, but we are starting to see that a lot of these spaces are, because they become an extension of your home and living space. Now, not all homes have AC units or sprinkler systems, but you want to make sure that if you do have them, those get looked at. Hopefully today's video was informative. If you are thinking of purchasing or selling a home this year, make sure to connect with me. My information is in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next week for another video here on this channel. Bye!